I feel so out of control. But I've never felt this free. Nadadaig yung wrist. Yung pagdadalawang isip lang.
Happy thoughts. Ricky, ikaw lang talaga. Mahal ko yung Ricky na makulit, matigas yung ulo. The Wendy that brings out the kid in me.
Yung Ricky ngayon, baka hindi mo kayanin.
Bakit hindi natin subukan? Willing akong subukan yun habang buhay, Wendy. I love you, Wendy.
I love you too, Peter Pan. May mga discrepancies in our firm's finances. You headed the motion to diversify the funds. Pero walang mga dokumento. Walang mga dokumento kung saan naka-invest ang pera ng kumpanya. Nasaan ako ang mga yon, Ninong?
I'm also waiting for them too, Ricky.
So wala tayong assurance?
You know, I trust these people. Hindi nila ako lulukuhin.
I sure hope so. And I'm assuming na legitimate naman ang mga recipient.
Look, I gave you my word, Iha. Just leave this to me. Huwag mo nang pagurin ang sarili mo at nagpapagaling ka pa. Rest assured, the funds are safe.
That's the thing, Ninong. I can't rest until I see everything. I need to know where the funds are. The funds that go back to my parents' hard work and dedication. Kaya ang hinihiling ko po ay transparency.
Pinagdududahan mo ba ako na pinagnanakawan ko kumpanya?
Wala ho akong sinasabing ganon, Ninong. Ang ikinaworry ko lang, baka na-scam ho kayo. But of course, you're too smart to fall for those. So, until I see these documents, maybe there's weight to what you just said.
Ricky.
Nothing to doubt. If there's nothing you did wrong, Ninong, at alam nating pareho na may consequences to, I wouldn't want na umabot tayo doon. I wouldn't want people to pounce on you. Kaya please, Ninong, kausapin niyo ko. Sabihin niyo ho sa akin. If you needed to borrow the money, just say it.
How dare you na pagbintangan ako? After all I did for you and your sister, naulila kayo pero hindi kayo nahirapan. Because I took care of everything.
It's not just you, Ninong. I took care of my sister despite of my shortcomings. At kahit kailan, hindi kami iniwan ni Yay Tope. Don't take credit for all those things, Ninong. And don't take things that are not yours.
You wouldn't want to cross me, Ricky. All our clients will follow me kapag kinalaban mo ko. Huwag mong abusuhin ang kabaitan ko sa'yo.
Pero okay lang abusuhin ang kondisyon ko. Pinapirma mo ako ng kontrata. Kahit hindi dapat.
kasama ko siya, she makes me so happy. And so sad at the same time. And even though we want to be together, I know that I can't truly have her. I can never have her.
Marco? 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 Marco?
Thank you for taking care of me. I failed you in every role I played in your life.
That's not true, Marco.
It's true. It's true. I failed bilang karelasyon mo, bilang katrabaho mo, bilang kaibigan mo. And kahit hindi na tayo, you're still here, picking up after me.
Marco, I know you would do the same for me. You have. Nung nagkasakit ako, inalagaan mo ko. Siguro kung ibang tao yon, tinakbuhan na lang ako.
Of course, I'll never leave you. Grade 1 pa lang tayo, mahal na kita.
Mahal din kita, Marco. Marco, I have to tell you something.
Go.
I'm in love with someone else.
Sino si Frank? Huwag mo na itago yung ngiti na yan, okay? You can do it as much as you want because at the end of the day, mas gwapo naman talaga ako sa Frank na yun eh, so...
That's debatable.
Debatable? Wow, okay. Alright. Love? What happened to us? Ano nangyari?
I don't know. Siguro masyado tayong magkapareho, pero hindi magkapares. All through these years, mga bata pa lang tayo. Palagi tayo magkasama. Inaasar tayo. Makikakasal tayo ng ganitong edad. Magkakapamilya tayo. It was so natural. It was so convenient. Para sa dalawang tao na takot sumubok. Laging sigurado. Pinaliwala natin yung sarili natin na siguro nga tayo yung para sa isa't isa. But going back to 9, natutunan kong maging matapang. To say and face what's really happening. Iba na ako, Marco. Iba na tayo. By the way, I know how much you both love each other. Gusto ko lang ipaalala sa'yo. Huwag na huwag mo sasaktan si Yumi. Please take care of her, Marco.
What if hindi ka na-aksidente? Do you think we could have made it work? I mean, we always made it work, right?
Hindi rin. 10, 20 years down the road, dito rin tayo uuwi. Buti nga maaga pa lang, nalaman na natin.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I mean, baka tama ka. Baka tama lang binalikan natin yung nakaraan. Save ourselves from heartache in the future. One thing will never change. You're my mentor. You're my friend. My partner. My soulmate. Maybe sometimes soulmates, they're just not meant to be lovers.
Mahal na mahal kita, Marco. And I always will.
Same here, love.
Ricky, what is this?
Have a seat. Ladies and gentlemen of the board, first, my apologies for calling an emergency meeting. Second, for my absence and oversight. Upon reviewing the finances and state of assets, napag-alaman kong someone seems to have committed malversation of funds.
What? That is a serious allegation.
The documents in front of you will prove that the company's investments were invested in properties and assets under shell companies. Shell companies na pagmamay-ari ng isang tao dito. Ladies and gentlemen of the board, I move for the immediate dismissal of Attorney Alberto Toledo.
This is outrageous. Wala akong alam dito.
Attorney Alberto Toledo, I gave you a chance to complete. Pero pinilit mo akong gawin to.
I deny these baseless accusations.
It's all there. In front of you. Undeniable proof.
I second the motion for immediate dismissal.
I third that. And looking at these documents, Alberto, more than a dismissal, you should expect a subpoena soon.
Shall we take a vote?
No. I will not be maligned like this. Mas paniniwalaan niyo ba siya kaysa sa akin?
Yes.
Yes, Alberto.
all agreed. Attorney Alberto Toledo, you are hereby dismissed as senior partner and member of the Board of Trustees. If you just please.
No. You don't get to throw me out of this office I built. Kundi dahil sa akin. This firm would have folded long time ago. Mark my words, Ricky. I will be back, and I will claim what is mine.
Hey.
Thank you, Patrick.
Yumi, anong ginagawa mo?
I just thought I deserved to give you a chance.
Yumi, kung kailangan pang subukan, ibig sabihin wala talagang pupuntahan.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Patrick. Hindi ko na rin alam kung ano ginagawa ko eh. Just so out of it.
Ako rin naman eh.
No. You're the sanest person I know.
No, Yumi. Look at me. I'm so insane. I am in this beautiful place with the most beautiful person I know. And love. Pero hindi ko kayang maging masaya knowing that you like this. It kills me, but it's my duty as your best friend to bring you to the right person, even if the person isn't me.
Hindi naman ako gusto ni Marco.
Yumi, I have loved you for so many years and you didn't even notice. Trust me when I tell you, ikaw ang gusto ni Marco. Not your ate. Only you.
Ihahatid mo ako pabalik. Tapos ako na naman yung hahabol-habol sa kanya. Pagod na ako.
Yumi, I'm sorry, but I haven't been completely honest. The other day, when you came to me, Marco was there. So trust me when I tell you, hindi ikaw ang hahabol sa kanya. Susulubungin mo lang siya.
Compadre, I just got out of hand. Reverse your position and call for reinstatement. Hello? Hello? Huh? Where were you?
I took a day off.
You took a day off? Habang pinagkakaisa ng sarili mong ama? Uy, oh, bata ka pa lang. Alam kong mahina ka na. Pero hanggang ngayon, you couldn't even stand by me when I needed you most.
Wait! Relax! Ano ba nangyari?
What happened? Ang pagmamanipula ng walang utang na loob na batang yan. Years and years of service and loyalty. Ricky owes me her name, her career, her life. No. I can reverse everything. I can prove to everyone that she's sick in the head. Hindi ko na dapat siya
What are you doing with this? It wasn't an accident, was it? Ikaw yung nagpahamak kay Ricky?
Ito na ang pinakabagong game show kung saan ang sukatan ay puso. Pulsuhan natin kung sino ang kalma lang at kung sino ang kinukulang na ng 1,000 Heartbeats Pintig Pinoy. Malapit na dito sa TV5.
Ikaw yung tumayong ama niya. Ikaw yung nagdigtas sa kanya. You even wanted me to marry her. Tapos pinahamak mo si Ricky? Pa! How can you do it?
Because she overstepped her boundaries. Masyado na siyang maraming alam.
What do you even mean?
All I wanted was the SD card.
Marco?
Dahil lahat ng ebidensya nandun. And I know Ricky would have made a case against Asiana. Tulad ng mga magulang niya. At ako ang maiipit. Gaya na nangyari dati. I didn't mean to hurt her like that. It was an accident.
Aksidente na naman! Yun din sinabi niyo tungkol sa magulang niya, di ba? And now you expect me to believe you? I ignored all the signs! Naniwala ako sa'yo! You're my hero, Pa. I wanted nothing else but to be like you. And now this! Hindi ikaw yung taong inahala ko.
I did what I had to do for you.
Stop using me as an excuse! Stop justifying your actions by using me!
Sa tingin mo ba, buhay pa si Ricky ngayon kung hindi kita iniisip? Lahat ng ginagawa ko para sa'yo. Ngayon, ipinagkakait nila kung ano dapat para sa akin. Higit pa dyan ang gagawin ko! Yumi? Relax! Yumi!
Ate, please! Ate, please pick up! Pick up the phone!
Oh, what's up?
Let's go! Let's go, please! Please, please.
Yumi.
Why were you calling me a while ago? You're just here the whole time? Anong kalokohan na naman ang nasa isip mo? Is this a prank?
Welcome back, Ricky.
Ano hong ginagawa niyo dito? At sino ho ang mga to?
They're with me.
Attorney, kung ano man ho ang pakay niyo, ako na lang ho. Wag na ho sila. At wag na wag ang kapatid ko.
Don't worry. We'll get there. Let's make this quick. Kailangan mo lang pirmahan to. At walang mangyayaring masama sa kapatid mo.
Transfer of assets.
Yes. It's the perfect tragic love story. Ang fiancé na iniwan ang lahat ng kayamanan niya para sa lalaking dapat niyang pakasalan, but only to die unexpectedly. But don't worry, Ricky. Patatayon ka namin ng rebulto. Ng foundation under your name. The perfect tribute for the widowed husband-to-be.
Why are you doing this?
Pinabawi ko lang ang dapat sa akin. Kung anong ipinagkait sa akin ng magulang mo, si Ludo.
Pero tinuring ka niyang kaibigan. Tinuring ka niyang kapatid.
Kapatid? Tinuring niya akong lupin. Tinulungan niya akong makaangat. But only just enough. Kahit kailan hindi niya ako tinuring kadugo. O kapantay man lang. At sa huli, his pride got the better of him. And he got the end that he deserved.
anong kinalaman mo sa aksidente nila. No. I remember what's on that SD card. Siya nang may gawa nun.
Be careful of half-truth, my dear.
Case number 312, Asiana Labor Group versus Asiana Corporation. Damning evidence recovery.
Ludo! Biti! Ludo! Kanina, nakatanggap na naman ako ng tawag. At may nagmamanman sa labas ng eskwela ni Marco. Sigurado ko Asiana to. Please, masyado na delikado to. Kailangan nyo isara ang kaso. Mga higante, mga ito. Paano kung totoo nila ang threats na yan? Madadamay pati yung mga bata. Hindi ba kayo nag-iisip? Sarado mo na ang kaso.
Inuutusan mo ba ako, Alberto? Let me remind you of your place. Ha? At mukhang nakakalimutan mo. Ano ang magagawa ng isang anak na isang pahinante kung hindi dahil sa tulong namin?
Ludo, tama na yan. Alberto, I know you're just concerned and I understand.
Hindi siya concern. Alam ko nakausap ka na Asiana. Sinusubukang bilhin ang katahimikan mo. And oh wow, napakaiksi ng loyalty mo, Alberto. Hindi mo kami binabalaan para sa ikabubuti namin, but instead, binabalaan mo para sa ikabubuti ng Asiana. Let me remind you, Alberto, kaso namin ito. Laban namin ito. Tingnan mo sa likod mo. Tingnan mo! Hindi ba malinaw? Malinaw na hindi ka may-ari, hindi ka pamilya, at wala kang pangalan dito. That's what I mean. You should know your place. And you better get out of here.
$100,000,000 kinabukasan para sa pamilya ko. Kapalit ng pagtalikod ko sa mga magulang mo.
Traitor ka! Tinuloy kita, Ama! Bakit binuhay mo pa ako?
But it worked for the better, di ba? Nabuhay ka at naalagaan mo ang pera. Now sign those papers and give me my money.
Anong pera sabi niyo? Wala kami ganung halaga!
Huwag ka nang magsinungaling! Nauubos na pasensya ko!
No! It's the truth! Yung perang sinasabi niyo, pinamigay po yung lahat ni Papa! Pinamigay niya sa mga manggagawa ng Asiana!
No. That's impossible.
It's the truth. Hindi sila mag-iiwan ng mana na may bahid ng dugo! Because they're above you!
No! After all these years para sa wala, I should have never hesitated. Pati yung magulang mo, hindi dapat ako nagtubili. Pati ikaw, dapat nung bahay na yan na kita mamatay! Patigilin mo na! No, Marco. No, not my son. Marco, no, No, Marco! I'm sorry.
Hi, Mama. Papa. Walang araw ang dumaan na hindi namin kayo naiisip. Alam kong malayo pa. But we're getting there.
All this time, inakala ko na ako yung dahilan sa pagkawala niyo. At araw-araw ko sinisi sarili ko dahil doon. Kaya naman sa bawat pagsaway sa akin ni ate, iniisip ko na sinisisi niya ako sa pagkawala niyo.
You're right. In silence, I blame you as much as I blame myself. At hinayaan natin magpalaman sa katahimikan yun. But no more, Yumi. No more.
Ma! Pa! Tinupad na ni ate yung promise niya sa inyo. Hindi niya ako pinabayaan. At alam ko nakita niyo lahat yun. But you're very proud of her. And you should be proud of her too.
Etong bunso niyo, palasagot. Dahil matalino, may paninindigan, trustworthy, honest, at kapag nagbigay, sobra-sobra.
Trust me, Ate.
Yes. And I always have. Hindi ko na mapagkatiwalaan ang sarili ko na hayaan ka. I was holding on tight because I needed you more than you needing me. Pero ngayon, Yumi, handa na akong magtiwala sa'yo. And I trust that you'll be responsible for your own happiness. So go. Go after him, Yumi.
Come in. Yums?
Yums, wala na ako mukhang maharap sa'yo. They don't deserve this, Yums. After everything Dad did, sa parents mo, sa ate mo, kung alam ko lang.
Wala kang kasalanan, Marco. Wala kang kasalanan.
Gusto kong magbayaran lahat. I want to make things better.
Then be with me. Lahat ng masakit, palitan natin ng maganda. And let's not be tied to the past anymore. For once, piliin natin maging masaya. Marco, you don't have to do anything. Just stay with me. Can you do that for me?
Yes. Yes, I can. I love you.
Romy, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nila ako binibisita sa libingan ko. Uy, tulungan mo ko.
Peter made a huge mistake putting you in the sidelines.
Buhay si Peter, hindi ito pwede.
Ma, can I visit Papa?
Tikas talaga ng ulo mo, no?
Liam, kayo ni Ethan. You need to get out there and show them who's in control of OCL now.
Lahat gusto pang sumausaw. From the boss down to the clerk.
So how are they?
My sons?
Hindi ako matatahimik.
Ano na naman ang gagawin mo? It has never been about family.
OMG, this is it. O, teka lang, ating star. Wait lang. Very beautiful. Yes.
Ate, hindi ba old school?
No, ang ganda-ganda mo. Ano ba? Don't think that way. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na napagtapos kita. This is such a milestone.
Aww. Thank you, Ate, for your patience. Thank you so much for everything. Masama mang isipin. Pero kung hindi ka bumalik sa pagkabata, baka hanggang ngayon, nagkakasagutan pa rin tayo. Tsaka hindi kita mayayakap ng ganito.
Palasagot ka pa rin naman.
Well, that's me. That's me proving my argument. Pero ate, ang dami kong natutunan sa'yo. At mas nakilala ko ang sarili ko. The accident paved the way for all this.
Wala namang aksidente. Nangyari ang dapat mangyari para magkaroon ng pagkakataon. To be better para sa sarili natin at para sa ibang tao.
I love you, ate.
I love you too, Yumi. I love you. Nang maulila kami, pinatahimik ko ang isang parte ng sarili ko. Hinalimutan ko ang pagkabata ko. Ang hayaan ng sariling madapa, magkamali, matuto. Ang makalimot sa pagkakamali ng iba, magpatawad. Ang tumawa ng malakas sa maliliit na bagay. At hayaang ang sarili na magmahal ng buo. Kaya mula ngayon, aalagaan ko na siya. I will never again lose the child inside of me. Dahil alam niya kung paanong mangarap at alagaan ang pag-asa.